Hello friends, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. I'm Ava and I'm back with another video about Persian language. 2 years ago, I recorded a video called How to Say I Miss You in Persian language, and that video went kind of viral. So today I decided to record another video in the same topic and tell you more ways to talk about missing someone and how you feel in that moment. What we learned in the previous video was دلم برات تنگ شده. دلم برات تنگ شده, which meant I miss you. 我想你了. دلم برات تنگ شده. Today, I'm going to tell you more ways about how to say the same thing but in different ways, like in spoken form or in a short form in Persian language. Number 1. دلتنگتم. دلتنگتم. Well, دلتنگ is an adjective. It's like I'm missing you. دلتنگتم. The at the end of this word, دلتنگتم, is actually acting as the verb, which is I am. من هستم. من دلتنگ تو هستم. Number 2. دلم برات یه ذره شده. دلم برات یه ذره شده. Well, in the previous video, I told you that when we say دلم برات تنگ شده, we actually are saying that my heart has become thin for you. So, Persians believe that when we miss someone, our heart situation changes. It changes shape. So, when I say دلم برات یه ذره شده, it means my heart has become یه ذره, a small piece for you. In comparison to دلم برات تنگ شده, دلم برات یه ذره شده is kind of more intense. When you say it to someone, you mean I really, really, really miss you. دلم برات یه ذره شده. Number 3 is something that you probably have seen online on social medias. It's میستم. Well, when I hear it, it sounds kind of weird to me too. It's a new word taken from English language, the word miss, to miss someone. And in Persian language, it's not really common to use it in spoken form. But nowadays, people, especially youngsters, use it online while chatting with others to tell them that they miss them. We say میستم. And the t and the that we add at the ending, they represent تو, من میس تو, هستم, I miss you. Now let's compare all of these together. Number 1, which we learned before, was دلم برات تنگ شده. دلم برات تنگ شده, which means I miss you. It's the most common way in Persian language to tell somebody that you miss them, so you can use it whenever you want. Number 2 was دلتنگتم. دلتنگتم, which is a little bit more formal and in written form. So it's best if you use it while you're texting someone or writing a letter. Number 3 was دلم برات یه ذره شده. دلم برات یه ذره شده. It's also spoken and you can say it to your loved ones. Number 4 is میستم. میستم. It's not really common to use this one when you're saying I miss you to your grandma or your family or your friends who are far away. It's only best if you use it when you're texting and text chatting your young friends. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Feel free to leave a comment and ask me all of your questions about these expressions. I will be answering every single one of them. See you next time.